Streetsboro. I'm so tired, guys. Look at this. This is the absolute worst designed roadway I've ever seen in my life. Every time I come this way, there's a big intersection like half a mile down that way, and it's so backed up all the way down there. And so you have to wait for this light to go just to get onto these lanes, maybe, and then you have to wait like 20 light cycles. Look at this, we're in the middle of the intersection right now. The light is all the way down there, you guys can't even see it. This is just bad design. I really like NOS. It's good, it's cheap, it's like half the price of Red Bull. I hate Monster. NOS is the way to go. So I get to the park and there's just a bunch of little kids sitting on the ramps not doing anything. Sucks. Terrible. Oh, I need to tighten my spokes, but I don't have a spoke tool. I gave it away to get this wheel. Goodbye, all motivation. Just wanna take my hand. You don't know that. Just wanna take the time. That's a new one. Finally. As tired as I am, I'm actually feeling pretty good, so. Ooh. Okay. Oh, it's so close. Man, I'm so close! Alright, you guys, this is the one. If I land it right here, you have to subscribe. I'm not gonna count that one, because I correction hopped. Gotta land it good. Ah! Oh my god, you guys. My blood sugar, I haven't eaten today. My blood sugar is going down fast. Oh my god. No! I can't keep doing this. I need to land it. No! I just really don't want to count that. I want to get it good. So I'm going to. The only person stopping me is me. have to take that one, you guys. I can't keep doing it. That's good enough, I guess. You know what? I'm happy with it though. I spent a really long time trying that. I'm exhausted. Alright guys, I'm getting out of this park. I don't know if you can tell. I'm crashing. Probably has something to do with putting that nos on my empty stomach. So we're gonna get home and see how that print's doing. We're back. The print's almost done. I'm going to go ahead and pour this alcohol into the curing containers. Okay, I put the cleaning stuff on this table because that got heavy once I completely filled both bins, and I don't like having a lot of weight on this table with two expensive 3D printers on them. Print's almost done. Ooh. Let that cure and we'll be back in 10 minutes. Alright guys, here's the piece I made. I know it doesn't look like much, but I can't tell you guys what it is because it is business related, but you will be able to know soon. So first impressions on the Form 2, it's amazing. I'm excited to see the type of stuff that we're going to be able to get done with this. I got a late start to the day. It's already 4:30. I usually start filming around 8 or 9 o'clock. Today I didn't start filming until like noon because I slept in. So that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's little video. If you did, leave a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Yeah, be sure to subscribe and click the bell to get notifications because new videos like this come daily. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace! And thanks for watching.